Welcome, my name is a Motorola Moto Z3 Play, and today I'll show you how to enable the developer options. So to get started, you want to open up the Settings app, then go to System, and then to About Phone right here, and we're looking for build number, which is right at the bottom. I'm going to tap on that 7 times, and then you have confirm your pattern. That's the case at least for me because I have a pattern set. You can, assuming you have, for instance, some other way of unlocking the device between choice, you have something like a pin pattern or password. So whatever you have set, you will basically have it right here. If you didn't protect your device, so it doesn't have any kind of protection, it will automatically just give you this message right here. So you are now a developer. So from here we want to go back, and then again in the system, scroll all the way down, and in the system settings you will have developer options, and there we go. And from here you have access to all of them. Now I would advise on not enabling them at random. Some of them might change how the device functions or remove certain functions of it, basically be disabled till you basically switch it back on. So keep that in mind. But that is how you would enable it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.